Alright, so let's quickly go over the pricing of HighLevel. Now, if you do want to sign up to HighLevel, I will leave you my link down below, which is going to give you guys an extended 30-day free trial. And also, you are going to get my bonuses worth more than $2,000, including this funnel template and much more. Either way, the pricing of HighLevel, by default, you are going to only see the starter plan and the unlimited plan. However, this isn't actually true. There is a third option. This would be the SaaS unlimited plan, which you can see right here, the SaaS Pro plan. So let's get started from this from left to right. First of all, we do have the starter plan. This plan is going to give you guys all of the features inside HighLevel. All of the CRM features, website features, funnel features, and so on. You can also see this right here, all the tools to capture more leads. And essentially, this is going to give you full access to online booking, basically everything inside HighLevel. The only difference to the starter plan and the unlimited plan is that on the starter plan, you can only set up 3 sub accounts, whereas on the unlimited plan, you can actually basically set up as much sub accounts as you want to, and you can then actually also brand these sub accounts with your own custom domain, with your own custom logo, and so on. So this would kind of be the option if you, for example, are an agency and you do want to have multiple sub accounts for all your agency clients. However, if you really do want to take your business serious, there's also the SaaS Pro option. This by far is actually my favorite option, because this will basically allow you to sell HighLevel as a service. Essentially, this is going to automatically create sub accounts, and you can fully white label HighLevel so that it actually seems that HighLevel is your own company. And you are then also going to have rebilling enabled, rebilling available for conversation AI, and essentially this is the best option if you do want to fully white label HighLevel. Otherwise, if you're only looking for the features for your own business, go for the starter plan, and if you're just a normal agency, then I would probably go for the unlimited plan. I hope this video was helpful, and I hope this cleared up some things. Once again, if you do want to sign up to HighLevel, you can get an extended 30-day free trial as well as a free live bootcamp by using my affiliate link down below.